In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall a sent Gmail. We've all been there, that moment of panic when you realize you've sent an email too soon or hit send and immediately notice a glaring error. Fortunately, Gmail has a feature that can save the day. It's called the undo send feature, and it's more powerful than you might think. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure that you can recall an email when you need to. As soon as you've sent an email in Gmail, keep an eye on the bottom left corner of your screen. Within moments after pressing send, a little notification will pop up letting you know that your message has been sent. It's easy to overlook, especially if you're busy or flustered, but this notification is your saving grace. Right next to that message sent notification, you'll notice an option labeled Undo. Clicking on this Undo option is the key to recalling your email. Timing is crucial here, as this option is only available for a very limited period. Google typically gives you a few seconds, usually ranging between 5 to 30 seconds, depending on your settings, to make your choice. If you miss this window, the opportunity to recall your email is gone, so act swiftly. The beauty of this feature is that once you click Undo, Gmail immediately stops the sending process. Essentially, it pulls the email back before it ever reaches the recipient. It's like a quick interception of your own email. Following this action, the email will not only be unsent, but will also reopen as a draft. This allows you to breathe a sigh of relief, as you can now see your email exactly as it was before, ready for you to make any necessary edits or even delete it entirely if you've changed your mind about sending it. A helpful tip to make the most of this feature is to configure your undo send settings to provide you with the maximum time allowed to reconsider sending an email. You can easily do this by navigating to your Gmail settings under the General tab, where you'll find the option to set your preferred cancellation period for the undo feature. Adjust this setting to the upper limit, giving yourself the full benefit of this handy tool. To summarize, the process is quick but effective. Keep your eye on the notification, click Undo, and breathe easy, knowing your message is safely back in draft form. Mastering this simple action can save you from many email mishaps, helping ensure your communication is just the way you want it to be. Happy emailing!